Alhamdulillah, assalatu wassalamu ala rasulil kareem. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, I'm sharing some introduction to our course, what we, inshallah, we are going to do. And I welcome you all on this blessed journey of learning Quranic language. So this is the slides that I usually use for different courses. Like I've been doing two groups, for one for in English and one in Urdu for Arabic grammar. So in this new group, inshallah, Lisanul Quran, what we are going to do, we are going to follow the curriculum from Bayana dream program, dream curriculum. And alhamdulillah, I have both books, like dream curriculum in English and Urdu also. So I'm going to share these books with you, and these books are also available on the Bayana website. So at least in English it is available. I'm not sure whether Urdu version is available or not, but because I'm sharing with permission, because I've been part of translation, Urdu translation squad. So these are the two books that we are going to follow. And I already have uploaded videos for I think in Urdu I have 12. I have uploaded up till 12 lessons, and in English we are on lesson 43. So in this group also, our let me summarize what we are going to do in this group. In this group, our study has two steps. First is like on every Friday, I'm going to share recorded lessons. So our whole study has two steps in this course: recorded lessons and participating in interactive live sessions. So every week I'm going to share one lesson, and obviously if I'm sharing one lesson, so one video will be in English and another video in Urdu for the same lesson. So it's up to you whether you watch Urdu or English, or you watch both. It's up to you. So after watching that video, learning the topic, you also go through the same chapter, the same lesson from the textbook, shared textbook. Okay, so that's one step. The next step, so every Friday, inshallah, I'm going to share those videos. Then most likely you will have 4 or 5 days to watch that video on your in your convenient time, whenever you have time. So that's why recorded lessons, recorded videos help in the sense that students and group participants, they can watch anytime. They can watch the lesson video at their own convenience. So after watching that video and learning the lesson from the textbook, you are going to attend interactive live session. Every week, one live session you have to attend. For your ease, because in our group we have participants from different time zones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have 2 live sessions per week. 2 live sessions, one in my morning and one in my another at another day, one in my night time. So when I'm suppose we are doing Wednesday morning, my morning time, so it would be uh, night time in Pakistan and India, on the other side. Okay. And if I'm doing uh, i'm I'm doing a live session at this time, like at this time, it's 11:30 here, 11:30 night time. So it's gonna be morning time in India, Pakistan, and Middle East. So that's why I'm going to have 2 sessions. I'm and this all this special arrangement I'm doing just to ensure that every student attends live interactive sessions. And inshallah we are going to keep a record of those who are in the group, and we are going to keep a record of their attendance. And uh, after every 2 months we are going to review the attendance. If we find anyone who has not attended uh, 3 weeks out of 8 weeks, after 2 months it's 8 weeks study time. So uh, after 8 weeks we are going to review our attendance record. And if we see that a sister hasn't attended three live sessions, 3 weeks live session, she missed it. So we are going to tell her that please catch up with your lessons and try to attend every every week the live interactive session. So then the next time we do the review, like again in 2 months. So if we find someone again missing live sessions, like maybe or total in 4 month period, she missed like 6 7 live sessions. So obviously we might have to drop that student. It's not like discouraging this is the way we can ensure the commitment, and the group discipline, and ensure the learning process, punctuality. So that's why we are going to implement this thing. As obviously we are going to review after 2 months, and again every 2 months, inshallah. So that's our plan. And let me oh, this is the lesson we do. uh, So next step, next thing that I'm going to share, the video I have already recorded, and I have these notes with me. So I use these notes, like this is my notes. So I use this notes, but I followed the same topic sequence from the Dream program, and this is the book. Inshallah, we are going to follow. This is in Urdu. And so far I made use of this book, my own notes, and this English book. And uh, the main source is the topic sequence, and the main source is from obviously from the Dream curriculum. But just to make it more like colorful, I made these presentations. So these what you are going to see in videos, lesson video, it's gonna be like this. So this is how I recorded uh, previous lessons, and inshallah you are going to get these videos from these lessons. Okay, so if you have any question, any confusion, you can ask in the group. And today I'm going to upload 2 videos for lesson 1, and inshallah I'll soon share uh, time for our live sessions, interactive sessions. So most likely it's gonna be either Wednesday or Thursday morning, and then again a night session, same days, Wednesday or Thursday, inshallah. So you will have from Friday to Tuesday or Wednesday, you will have your study time and preparation time, and then inshallah. Okay, one thing I would like to tell you how we are going to let me switch my presentation. Okay, so I wanted to show the book and the content. This is the book, inshallah, we are going to follow. And Arabic grammar has 2 portions. It's 2 sections. First is Nahaf, which is the grammar portion. And then another is the, let me show you. Another is the surf portion. Yeah, this is section 2, surf. So Nahav is the Arabic, the grammatical structure of the sentence, and surf is the study of the different patterns of different words. And they are like, it's a different science, and in this surf studies, we learn different pattern, different structure of the same word, different forms of the same word. Okay, so these are 2 sections, and in the interactive session, so what my expectation is that inshallah we are going to have an interactive session on Zoom. So when you log in to Zoom, use the your login ID or your profile. Like, you can change your name when you right click and click the profile, your profile name, and then you can change it. So what you are going to do, you are going to write your name and this Lisanul Quran ID, like LQ001 or LQ002, then your first name. Okay, so that's how we know who is there in the Zoom session and who is answering. So the way you are going to reply to my questions, suppose we are doing first lesson. Okay, so this is the first lesson, and we are doing this exercise. So what in interactive session, we are going to summarize the lesson, and I'm going to take any question that you have. You want to ask some question, you have some queries, then you can ask during interactive session. And then we are going to have these exercises. So suppose we are doing this exercise together, and you just need to write your answers in chat window. Okay, so suppose I'm asking so first lesson is about different types of words in Arabic, and there are 3 different types of words. ism, fail, and harf. So suppose I'm asking, what is this word? Is this ism, fail, or harf? So what you are going to do, you are going to write in the chat box and write like, if your answer, suppose you invited, you think it's ism, so you are going to write ism, or you think it's a fail, then you are going to write f, or you can write the whole like full spelling, or you can write the initial thing. So that's how you are going to answer in chat window, so that me and my volunteer, they know that okay, they are answering, and we are going to keep record of your attendance and your participation in the live session, inshallah. And I'm telling you, I have been doing these the same activity in my own when I was I'm like I took two courses. So it really helps a lot when you participate in the um, class discussion and you answer yours. I used to type my answer. That's how we used to do it in both of my courses. So inshallah you will find it easy, and uh, that's how you when you attend live sessions, that's how you are on track in your studies. So that's the reason I'm emphasizing more on attending the live sessions. Okay. So inshallah, this is all information. I think I might not be missing any. So I hope. So inshallah, see you in the interactive session. Okay. So uh, let me conclude the session with dua. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.